Hej, Rasmus fra Spol tilbage. Denne uges filmanbefaling er Lady Bird fra 2017. En utrolig fin film om det at være teenager og vokse op i fattigdom og med alle de problemer, som teenager nu engang har. Vores hovedperson, Lady Bird, spilles fremragende af Saoirse Ronan, som vi jo kender fra blandt andet flere Wes Anderson-film. Og ligeledes fantastisk spillet bliver hendes mor af Laurie Metcalf, som nogle af os jo blandt andet husker primært som søsteren i Roseanne. Greta Gerwig har lavet denne her film. Greta Gerwig kender vi jo fra Barbie-filmen, som er meget fremme lige nu. Men det her, det var hendes film nummer 2. Og hun formår altså at ramme en rigtig, rigtig fin balance i filmen. Vi griner, vi græder, vi føler med de her personer. Vi har jo set film om teenager før, men denne her formår i allerhøjeste grad at skabe nogle troværdige karakterer, som vi kan relatere til, og vi i virkeligheden tænker tilbage på vores egen ungdom og de problemer, man havde som 17-årig. Det er en kæmpe anbefaling herfra, Lady Bird. Den ligger klar til streaming, blandt andet på DR's hjemmeside, så alle har adgang til den, og jeg skal nok linke til den herunder. Så god fornøjelse med den, og der kommer lige en trailer her. Hej hej.
I hate California. I want to go to the East Coast.
I want to go where culture is, like
How
New
in the
York,
world did I raise such a
or at least
snob?
Connecticut or New Hampshire, where writers live in the
Get
woods.
into those schools anyway.
Mom,
You should just go to City College. You know, with your work ethic, just go to City College and then to jail, and then back to City College, and then maybe you'd learn to pull yourself up and not expect everybody to do everything.
Lady Bird, is that your given name?
Yeah.
Why is it in quotes?
I gave it to myself. It's given to me by me.
Lady Bird always says that she lives on the wrong side of the tracks, but I always thought that was like a metaphor. But there are actual train tracks.
What she did was very baller. It was very anarchist.
Put the magazine back!
She has a big heart, your mom.
She's warm, but she's also kind of scary.
You can't be scary and warm.
I think you can. Your mom is.
So, you're not interested in any Catholic colleges?
No way. I want schools like Yale, but not Yale because I probably couldn't get in.
You definitely couldn't get in.
Does Mom hate me?
If you're tired, we can sit down.
I'm not tired.
You were dragging your feet.
You are so infuriating.
Please stop yelling.
I'm not yelling. Oh, it's perfect.
Do you love it?
You both have such strong personalities.
When is a normal time to have sex?
You're having sex?
I'm ready. Just wanted it to be special.
Why? You're gonna have so much unspecial sex in your life.
We're afraid that we will never escape our past.
Whatever we give you, it's never enough. It's never enough.
It is enough.
We're afraid of what the future will bring. We're afraid we won't be loved.
You can't do anything unless you're the center of attention.
We won't be liked.
Yeah, well, you know your mom's tits, they're totally fake. She made one bad decision at 19. 2 bad decisions.
And we won't succeed.
I want you to be the very best version of yourself that you can be.
What if this is the best version? What I'd really like is to be on Math Olympiad.
But math isn't something you're terribly strong in.
That we know of yet.